Hey guys, this is Fundo on Phakade. Sebenzile is back for Phakade. He wants back Phakade. The staff at MSAM learn that they will be searched every day because there has been missing money. The fight between Nkululeko and MaZulu escalate and all the gloves comes off. Sebenzile Kamatonsela got an advice from ancestors. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.
What you call an icon living? Start a record label, Misfits just did it.
Nylon cover 5 minutes. Whoa, we are too hot in the business. About to make a movie independent.